rifled that pass up the middle to Malkin. Right in front. He scores.
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up 1, go make it 2.
Some shots, only 1 goal.
A lot of opportunities. Love the mindset of getting pucks and people to the net.
New York's 2 Olympic gold medals and a Norris Trophy for being best. He scores! They break the ice early here with the game's first goal. The Wolves strike first.
Just like the coach drew it up, get off to a good start.
Delta's won that. Now all that's left is the start of the game. He scores! That's a good way to begin. Make the fans happy.
Well, they jumped up on the bench beside me pretty quickly here. Very excited on the one side to have the game's first goal.
You always hope if you're paying the price of admission as a home fan that your team scores first. In this case, it has.
So far, they got their money's worth early in this.
Fort Wayne's looking to head man up the wing. Shoots! He scores! That's a good way to begin. Make the fans happy.
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Fort Wayne's ahead by 1 goal here in the first period. A lot of time still left to play, but getting one and breaking the tie was huge.